Make sure to ground the panel before applying power to any device. Proper grounding protects against electrostatic discharge that can damage system components. When choosing a battery, use sealed lead-acid batteries only. Use the DMP model 364, 365, 366, 368, or model 369. Batteries supplied by DMP are a perfect choice, since they have been tested to ensure proper charging with DMP products. Direct current power is ran to the XR here on terminals 3 and 4. Connect the black battery lead to the negative battery terminal, which is terminal 4. Then, connect the red battery lead to the positive battery terminal, which is terminal 3. DMP recommends replacing the battery every 3 to 5 years under normal use. That's how to wire a battery to an XR series panel.